just walking back home after today. What a day. So sorry it's a little dark. We went out for dinner and hung around the village for a bit. So yeah, thoughts on today. So that was completely the scariest thing I've ever done in my entire life, but it was mad because it wasn't like the slingshot when I done it in Orlando, because I came off that and I was like, oh my god, I'm never doing that again. Halfway through I was kind of liking it and thinking this is actually really fun, and I'm quite proud of myself as well, because I was hesitating getting off that platform and starting it. Like, I was absolutely terrified. I was one of the first ones to go down from the platform, because they said if you're scared you're better off going first, and I probably contemplated it for about 5 minutes before I actually went, and I'm so glad I done it. It was so worth it. So right now I'm recording on my new GoPro Hero Black 7. Hopefully the image quality has improved, and hopefully I'll get some improvements on these videos as I go. So if you like this video, make sure you leave us a like, comment, and also hit subscribe. You can also check me out on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.